So hi there, how you doing? 12:25 by the watch. This is me, Jasleen Kapani, the founder and CEO of setup in New Delhi NCR by the name of I'm Decor and Design. We are in the business of designing and manufacturing home and office decor and interior solutions and stuff. And I'm hoping it's a good start and a great start for the day for you and stuff and all that. And having spent so much of time working on concepts, designs, products, factory rounds, factory visits, checking out the fabric, checking out the finish, checking out the material, checking out this and that and all that before putting together our works and creations and stuff, and of course doing some projects. And also we've been supplying to some showrooms and stuff. I've learned one thing, and what I've learned or what I would like to share is that you don't have to be possessive about your ideas or about your clients or about people in general and stuff, because today's world is all about choices and all about options and stuff like that. So being possessive about ideas is not a very good idea, because see, the thing is this, that when you get possessive about an idea, you don't want to share it with anybody. And sometimes a good strategy would be to share your ideas and to share what you have in mind, maybe your vision, maybe your goals, maybe your project information and stuff. In that way you can get all the support and all the help and stuff. But when you apply the same logic also on people and stuff, you can't be possessive about your team, your people, your organization, and the clients you work with, or the brands you've been hands-on and stuff. Or you can't be possessive about stuff, because if you get too possessive about something, you have an issue kind of moving on from it or letting go of it and stuff. And the only way when you can actually benefit yourself and you can contribute in a big way or a big fashion to your own enterprise or to any project or any organization or anything you're creatively, artistically, design wise, strategy wise, ideation wise, branding wise, advertising wise, events wise, selling a book probably or a movie or whatever, is to kind of be very clear on your roadmap and stuff and all. And it's not just about setting up goals, it's also very important to kind of be prepared, or have a control on your own mind and your own self and stuff, because many times things don't go the way you plan, and if you're lucky enough, things go the way you want to and stuff. And one very crucial point is that always respect education and try and upgrade yourself and stuff. So let me give you an idea. Let me take you on to video two, right?